Hello, and welcome to your next chapter, Chapter 4. Here's your reading for Chapter 4. We will be covering all topics, so go ahead and take notes and read all of the topics for Chapter 4. I also wanted to touch on the overview that I post for each chapter, where I just kind of state the objectives, what you'll be learning in this chapter. And like from reading where you'll be learning those topics is because if time, if you're in a crunch for time, I want you to know that this topic is covered in both my lecture videos and the reading. And so, if you have to only have time for one or the other, I would probably lean towards my lecture videos. I think I do a fairly good job of pointing out like the important concepts and actually walking you through them. Whereas in the reading, it can be a little intimidating when they throw all the information at you at once. Whereas I try to go through it, in a step-by-step process to lead you to the end result. So this is just like, this topic is going to be covered in both. And if you have to pick one, I'd probably lean towards the videos. Or if you're the type of person that's like, I really learn more from reading it, go for it. I'm covering the same thing that's in your reading. Or you may, ideally, if you have the time, you would do a combination of both, right? Video to help you get the main points, reading to help kind of flesh it out. I just wanted to give you that in case you're wondering why I put that at the end of the overview. It's so that it is covered in both, especially if you have any. There aren't any this chapter, but I think in the past, I might have some where it's only covered in the reading. And then it's like, oh, we're responsible for that topic. She's not going to be lecturing on it. I better make sure I read on that topic. So that's especially when I want to make sure you're paying attention to those so you can still get the information. In Chapter 4, I plan to cover everything in the lecture videos. Just wanted to give you a little quick tip on how to use that information there that I've been putting in the overview section. All right, see you in the next video.